is the first project with this company, with these particular 6 people. And going through the past 8, 9 seasons with the company, I saw many things, and I really wanted something that can bring us together, that we work together on something, and it's not someone giving us stuff and then you execute and show off and these kind of things. And it was a great opportunity to do it like this. And so I made up the whole 6-week project with a plan that this is actually getting to know each other. We are in a body, right? Like body and mind, and we, or the person that makes these, the thing that makes these words up to you and that is talking to you, where is it in the body? And I placed it in the head for some reason, as in a control room in my head. So I imagine the stage is my own skull on the inside. And we, cogitos, these thinking things, are inside. And being 6 very different characters in this one head, how this one person is going through the life from childhood to the second childhood, just before you die, and in this way. And then I also I was thinking, should I divide the characters, that there is the mind part and there is the body part? But in fact, no, because it's such a subtle thing, body and mind. And when I close my eyes and I think about who is this thinking thing in me, where is it? Is it in my hand when I dance, or in my feet, or is it in my head? Is it in my chest when I feel depressed? That is this, it's different for everyone. And everything. 2 people will not see the same thing, and I cannot grasp on it. But the stuff we are talking about on stage or on screen, because I managed to put, again, movie and stage together. I mean, managed. We will see if I managed. But I'm combining, and so there is direct stuff, there is speech, and there is abstract stuff that is open to interpretation. And I grab this body and mind in an abstract way, by feelings and sounds and ridiculous stuff. You will see.